Hey, we're back. We're back on this wonderful day today. It is Monday, and we're back. We have an awesome package that God blessed us with here at Faithfully Bearded's house. Fresh Beards, got a package. Yeah, I kind of already opened it. Spoiler, I already opened it. It was kind of an accident. I was just like, I don't even really know what this is, blah, blah, blah. Start opening it, and I'm like, crap. I need to do a video on this. It's an unboxing. We're going to see what's in the box. We're going to see how it's packaged. So I didn't touch anything. I just cut the label, just so you know. So before we get started, hit that subscribe button. Hit that bell so you're reminded every time I come out with an unboxing or a review. I just did an awesome review. So go check out that. There's a whole playlist on reviews. There's a whole playlist on unboxings. So check those out while you're at it. But again, like this video, leave a comment down below, subscribe, hit the bell. Alright, let's get going. Alright, so box. Nice little square box here. Not a padded envelope, so good news for me right away. Box. Right on the inside here, it's got the packaging slip with my receipt. And then styrofoam peanuts, or whatever you want to call them, with the products that we got here. So let's just take a look at the products. We got a beard balm. This one's called Beach Blend. Beach Blend from Fresh Beards. And I do kind of like their labeling here. I mean, Fresh Beards has got a cool labeling. If you haven't seen Fresh Beards before, I mean, we'll talk about that more in the actual review. This isn't a review. This is just an unboxing and see what we have in the box. And of course, smell things, because I like to smell things right off the bat. It's like, how do you open something and not smell it? Like, this is the stuff we're going to be putting on our face. We need to smell it right away. It's like a thing. And then we got another beard balm. This one's called The Freak. Here we go. The Freak. It's freaky. We're just going to leave it at that. I don't know. I like it. Watch the review to find out what I really think. So then we got some oils in here. And so the oils are pretty cool. Here's the bottle, right? So here's the bottle. I'm working on focusing the camera here. So the labeling's pretty sweet. I mean, it's awesome, really. I like the shape of the bottle. I like the idea of it. It's plastic amber bottle with a twist-off lid. This is pretty cool. I mean, it's gonna look good on the beard collection stuff. Like, there's not really many bottles that are designed like this, so that's pretty cool. I like it. Everything's packaged well. It's all in peanuts in here, so these, like, nothing's damaged or anything like that. So there's that, and then we got Armor. I've used their Armor mustache wax before, and I kind of liked the scent of it, and that's why I wanted to go with the oil and try it out. But again, you got their cool labeling here, and this is the Armor. Same bottle design. And then you got Black Light. If you've never tried the Black Light, it's a pretty awesome scent. I have it in their butter, and I've tried that. I've been using that for a while in my nighttime routine. So, and then Freak again. So I guess I ordered 2 Freaks. So, but that's about it. There's four oils in there and 2 balms. I also have their mustache wax, and then I have their butter too that I've been using for a long time. This just happens to be a new package, so I'll kind of I'll link Fresh Beards down below, but I definitely recommend checking out the review and seeing if we can get you guys like a promo code or something before the review comes up. But hey, there's the unboxing from Fresh Beards. Their logo is pretty awesome. I love their logo. I do have a hat. I don't know why I didn't put on the hat. Like, why didn't I put on Fresh Beard's hat for this? It's just going to have to go for the review, I guess, because I came from outside. I got a beanie on. It's cold out. But I do have 2 fresh beard hats. I could have worn one of them for this unboxing, but you'll get to see it on the review, I guess. So, hey, it's more of a reason to subscribe. Hit that bell, and so when I come out with the review, you'll be notified. You can watch it. You can see the hat. Hey, perfect, right? All right, guys. Hey, thanks for watching. Stay warm out there, and until next time, God bless.